I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the Nest Hub and opening the Google Home app on your phone. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are on so the app can detect the device. This speeds pairing and explains why initial permissions matter. Once the device appears in the app, tap Add and follow prompts to connect to your home Wi-Fi. Use the 2.4 GHz band if signal issues occur. This improves range versus crowded 5 GHz networks. Once connected to Wi-Fi, you'll assign the hub to a room so routines and device grouping work properly. Next, set up voice match so the hub recognizes you. This allows personal results like calendars and messages. Make deliberate choices about linked services. Connect music, calendars, and smart devices now to avoid redoing steps later. If you want ads-free experiences or tighter privacy, adjust assistant data and activity settings before finishing the core configuration. You're almost done. Test basic commands like asking for the time or playing a song to confirm voice, audio, and network functions. If prompts indicate a firmware update, install it now. Updates fix bugs and improve stability. If features fail, reboot the hub by unplugging for 10 seconds. This clears temporary glitches. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and redo setup, making sure you have Wi-Fi credentials and Google Sign in ready to restore linked services quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.